We discuss 3D View Editor in detail. You know this area is called 3D View Editor. This area is main region of 3D View Editor. This is also called 3D View and this is also called Viewport. This area is called Tool Shelf. This area is called Operator Panel, which is available on Tool Shelf. This is plus button. If you left click on this plus button, there appears Properties region. This area is called Editor Type Selector. These are the menus of 3D View Editor. This is Mode drop-down menu. This is called Draw Mode or View Shading. This area is called Pivot Point. This area is called Transform Manipulator. These are Layers button. This area is called Lock to Scene. This area is called Proportional Editing Object Mode. This is a Snap button. This is called OpenGL Render Active Viewport. This is called Orientation, XYZ Orientation. This is the name of active object. These lines are called grid flow. This is a cube object. This is a 3D cursor. This is a camera object. This is a lamp object.